All right, folks, it's the 13th of April, and I think it's a Tuesday, but you know, who cares? And I have Eric, who's the installer today for Ikea. He works for R.W. Shaw. I think it's R.W. Shaw.
Correct.
Correct. He said I'm correct, so I'm right once a day. And so what he's going to demonstrate today is how easily these hinges are manipulated. Now, these are really nice hinges. These are they're Austrian hinges. These are nice hinges. Nothing you'd really expect on Ikea cabinets, and of course they're
Soft
so
close.
close. Oh God, look how soft that is. I'm lowering my voice so you can appreciate how soft it is. All right, what were you going to show me, Eric?
Just the release on how to get these hinges off. There's just a little release lever in the back. Just pull it towards you. It's as simple as that.
And why would you want to release it?
Just in case you damage a door, you never got to take them off.
Oh, very nice. Let me go drop back a little bit. Oh my God.
These hinges will pop off the actual door pretty easily. There is, just grab a screwdriver. There's a little indent there. Just pop it in there and release.
Oh my God. See, there's no way I would know that if somebody hadn't shown me.
And just put them back in. There it is.
Dang. I don't think you can do that with regular cabinets.
No, you cannot. Most of them are screwed in.
Oh.
So yeah, Ikea makes it pretty easy.
Well, my neighbor across the street, Jeff, did a lot of house flipping until things got expensive. And he only uses Ikea cabinets. Says they're the way to go.
Well, Mike, your other installer, I'm sure he told you he's redoing his whole kitchen with Ikea.
I think he did mention that. And
He's been a carpenter for, I don't know, 20-some plus years.
And he's using Ikea cabinets.
He really likes Ikea, and he's going to
He's a trim carpenter, and he's using Ikea cabinets. God, I think those two words together are a crime in some countries. Trim, Ikea. And he says he's having Matt help him with the design.
I did not know that.
Yes, I think that's correct. Or I'm just making this stuff up, which just happens.
Good, but I have no idea.
Well, it looks good. Oh, man. Looks great.
Yeah, I would do Ikea in my kitchen, but I have to do some serious... I might have to knock down walls, because I have like an octagon-shaped kitchen.
Ooh, very spiritual.
So they're all custom-built cabinets. So every time there's an angle in the kitchen, I'd have a dead space behind it. Between the
Oh, you wouldn't want that. Although,
So
Mike, the installer, would know how to handle it.
probably would.
Well, thanks for the demonstration of
Absolutely.
the hinge. Everybody have fun. Bye.